Yesterday we have seen what is programming language, what are different types of programming paradigms, and what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Now let's start with the main part of our first unit, that is syntactic structure and language description. So you know that what is a language? It is mode of communication, medium of communication, uh, which passes idea from one person to other, or programming language which communicates with user and the machine. But what is formal programming language? How you can define a formal programming language? Let me share another PPT. So now we are towards defining a formal language. So in any language, there are alphabets. And how to define alphabets formally? It is finite character set. So you open any programming language book, you can find character set for that particular language. So uh, in mathematical terms, this is the symbol used for alphabet. It is finite character set. Then what is a string? String is finite sequence of characters. So group of characters, finite sequence of characters is known as string. We can have empty string or blank string, which is denoted by epsilon or lambda. Many books use this term epsilon, means empty string. What is an alphabet? Alphabet is finite set of characters. String is a finite sequence of characters, a group of characters. And string can be empty. And now what is a language? You can define a language as set of strings over some alphabet. Means a set of strings defined for those alphabets. So it will include the alphabets only from that character set. So that is the language. So how to define a language? A set of strings over some alphabet. String can be empty string, opening and closing curly brace or double quotes, blank double quotes. It can be a finite set, only with a character A or character A, B and combination of A, B like this. There can be many examples of finite set, or there can be infinite set. You can define a string like all strings with A's and B's, all strings where A is followed by B, like this. So we can have infinite string, finite string and empty string, which will make a language. Is it clear what is alphabet? Finite character set, string is sequence of characters, and language is set of strings over some alphabet. Coming back to our slides. So normally this is expression A plus B star C, how we write. Now we want programmer or we want machine to understand this expression. So some languages have different characters for these different operations. For example, star can be used for as a raise to operator, or a star can be used as a pointer operator. For division, instead of slash, instead of division operator, mathematical division operator, that dot under score and then again dot, instead of that sign we are using slash for division. So different characters are used to perform different type of operations. So these are various type of expressions which are available, expression notations. So in programming language, in any programming language, use following type of notations: infix, prefix, postfix, and mixfix. As the name says, infix. Infix means operator should come in between. So infix notation are normal notation that are used by us while writing different mathematical expression. Operator is written between its operand. 20, then operator 30. So this operator is performing on these two operands. These are operands. And this is the operation. So 20 plus 30. So it will add 20 and 30 and will produce result 50. That is infix. Operator is in between. Next expression is prefix. So prefix means it is operator, then operand, operand. First operator and then operand, operand plus AB. It will perform the same operation. Result is 50 if you write plus 20, 30. So programming languages like Lisp support prefix expression notation. So it is, in this notation, operator is prefixed to the operand. That is, operator is written ahead of operands. It is familiar and easy to understand and use because it is very much go hand in hand like a functional programming. Function and then parameters we are passing. For example, plus is a function and then A and B, these are parameters that we are passing to this function. So you can look like this and it is easy to understand. This is infix notation. Many languages like Lisp, ML, they support infix notation. So operator followed by operand, operand. Next notation is postfix. So as the name says, postfix, first operand 1, operand 2 and then operator. So operand and then operator. Operator should come at the end. So A plus B, which is infix, can be translated to equivalent postfix as AB plus. So in this notation, operator is postfix to the operator. That is, operator is written after operand. So these are infix notations, right? Operator is between operands. Sorry. Now we want to convert it to prefix and postfix. How to convert? A plus B. If it is A plus B, its prefix is plus AB. Its prefix is plus AB. But now our expression is A star B is the expression plus C divided by B. Right? A star B plus C slash D. So how to convert this expression to postfix? This expression is in the form of infix. Is it visible? Board is visible to you girls?
Yes, ma'am.
How to convert this infix expression to prefix? Note that we have to consider its associativity and precedence. So which operation should be performed first? Multiplication and division. So how to convert A star B to prefix? Star A. How to convert C slash D to infix? Slash CD. And this operator should come first. Because these are two operands for addition operator. So addition should come first, then star AB slash CD. So output or infix form will be plus star AB slash CD. Correct? And how a machine will execute this? Machine will put these operators in a stack. How to evaluate this operation, infix expression? So it will start reading from operator 1, then star, then first operand and second operand. So star is followed by operand. As soon as operand is there, it will pop this star.
Ma'am,
Yes.
why we are not taking the slash operator also in like plus, then we take the star sign, then AB, then slash CD. Then in the next step, we can't take slash also in the front,
No,
slash operator.
it will change its precedence. We have to perform C slash D before addition. So how
Okay,
do we
ma'am.
do this? So A star B, so star AB, C slash D, so slash CD, and then after evaluating multiplication and division, then we are going to perform addition. If you put slash before, then it will first do that will be a different expression. It will do A plus B, then stars plus A star B plus
No, no, no. I am saying as if plus star slash ABCD.
plus star slash A B.
ABCD.
So what it will do is it will perform A slash B. Then it will add star C, and then it will do plus B. So this will be the infix for this prefix.
Okay, okay. Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
So always try to find out the precedence, highest precedence operator, and then convert it to infix, convert this to infix, and then this operator should come. So first operator is always low precedence operator. Okay. So in this case, as soon as you find the operator, operator is binary operator, so you already have one A. So take another B, perform multiplication and put this value here. Then add, again C is there. So then you have slash and then C and D. So C slash D, and then you are going to perform A plus B. About evaluation we'll talk about later. Let's see how to convert infix to prefix and postfix. So let's take another example. The second example. A star B plus C D. A
Ma'am,
star.
can we do the previous example in postfix also? Like, can you show that also?
Okay. So A plus A star B plus C slash B. Now here brackets are not used and star and slash has highest precedence. So again we are going to find out the expression with highest precedence and here A B star postfix. So operator should come that way. Then C D slash and then this plus should move go outside as this is the first operand, second operand and then operator.
Okay, ma'am. So this means for postfix, the operators go in right side, and for prefix, operators come in left side.
So in short, you can remember this. A plus B is infix, plus AB is prefix, AB plus is postfix. So A and B can be another expressions or just can be simple operands. So just keep this thing in mind. Infix, prefix and postfix. Or pre, infix, postfix. Prefix, infix, postfix. So how to evaluate this if this expression is given and you want to solve this? Suppose the value of A is 10, B is 20, C is 30 and D is 5. What should be the output of this? 20 into 10, 200, 30 divided by 5, 6 and plus 6. So answer should be 206 if you solve this. So now in case of postfix, we'll see how we have to solve this. Again, we have to use stack. We have to put operands. Now operands are 10, 20, 35. Suppose A value of A, then B, and as soon as you get an operator, so you are reading this string from right to left. So you get A is operand, put it into the stack. Again B is operand, put it into the stack. As soon as you get an operator, you have to pop these two operands A and B, perform operation. So value of A is 20, 10 and 20. Perform operation 10 into 20, which is 200, and put this value into the stack. This value you are going to put into the stack and start reading next. Next is C, then D, put C and D into the stack. As soon as you are getting the operator, operator is slash, For two operands, only two operands, because slash works on two operands. It is binary operator. So C and D. Value of C is 30, value of D is 5. So 30 divided by 5, which is 6. Put this result into the stack. 6. Now read again, you are getting an operator plus. So read these two operands, 206, you will get a result 206.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can you please explain again after the box, infix, prefix, and postfix with the example? Can you just repeat the example? The 20, 10 slash 20, that one.
This one.
Yeah,
Or,
yeah, yeah.
only,
Only the example with numbers. That's it.
okay. So if you have given some values instead of variables A, B, C, D, it is 10, 20, 30, and 5. How this expression will be solved by your machine? Just take four variables, assign them these values, and take some variables and solve this and print X. You should get answer 206. Because in computer language, always multiplication has highest priority, and multiplication and division has same priority. And these are left associative operators. So left hand side should be executed first. So A star B, which is 10 into 20, is 200, will be evaluated first. Then this operation will be carried out. C slash D, that is 30 divided by 5, is 6. And at the end, we are going to perform addition operation. Addition has lowest priority than multiplication and division.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
So we want to maintain same priorities whether we are going to convert it to infix or postfix. So when you convert it to infix, so you have to first find out highest priority operation, convert that to infix or postfix, and then you can convert the entire expression. So you have to do this process step by step. So let's take one more example. Now here we are using brackets. Same example but with brackets. A star B plus C. And then slash B. Now which expression should be executed first? A star B, C slash B, or B plus C?
B plus C.
Yes, brackets are having highest priority. So B plus C should be executed first. So its prefix will be plus BC. Then it will carry out multiplication because left to right. Associativity is from left to right. Then prefix operator, then operand 1, operand 2. So operand 1 is A and operand 2 is this, bracket, plus BC. Note that in infix or prefix, no need to use brackets. Then slash D. Again, this operator should come here and then D. So this is operand and this is operand. Second operand. This is first operand and second operand. So whenever you are going to convert infix to prefix or postfix, note that you have A plus B form and you want to convert it to plus A. So in this case, I'll again do this step by step. The first thing I am going to find out which expression should be converted first, which is having highest priority expression. So B plus C. And this is simple, it is directly mapping with A plus B. So it will be like plus AB plus BC. Now which is the next expression? This one. Now here small a is this and small b is this. It is like A star B. And how to convert to A star B? Star A. Now what is A here? Capital A. This is star A and B is as it is plus BC. Now this is my small a, operator is slash and this is my small b, A slash B. How to convert A slash B to prefix?
Slash AB.
So slash should come first, then star A plus BC, which is my small a, and then B. Not B, sorry. This is B. B capital BC. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How to convert this to postfix? Same expression to postfix. BC plus. So we convert BC plus.
Star A.
Then A star.
Star.
And
Slash
then
D.
D slash.
D slash, sorry.
So this is A, this is B, and this is slash. Now try third one. Convert this A star. What is one more bracket is added here. Convert this to prefix and postfix. So brackets play an important role while executing expressions. What will be the prefix and postfix?
Ma'am, for prefix, it will come as star A uh, into bracket. No, bracket will not come. B plus C slash D.
Thus should not come.
No,
No,
star
no,
A
no.
slash
Times
pl-
slash CD
plus B C D.
Slash BC plus D.
Okay, I'll evaluate it. You cross-check your answers. So outermost bracket will be executed first. So in case of outermost bracket, this is your A and this is your B. Outermost bracket will be executed first. So this part is small a, this part is small b, and prefix is slash AB. So slash B plus C and D. And then this innermost bracket will be executed, which is plus BC. So slash plus BCD. So this is how we have executed this bracket prefix. And then A star will be star A, and then remaining one.
Ma'am, but if we consider the inner back bracket first, we'll get the same, right?
No, we will get
Yes. Ma'am, I did from the inner bracket first, so I got the same
this
answer.
inner bracket first plus BC, then slash D, and then yes, innermost bracket can make first. We'll get the same answer. This is prefix. And what is postfix? Again, BC plus D slash BC plus, this is BC plus, which is A part slash D, so D slash, and then A star.
A star.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
So this is postfix. Now this is a homework. It's very interesting. If prefix and postfix is given, can you convert it to infix? Can you do reverse thing from prefix to postfix or postfix to infix conversion? We have converted infix expression to prefix and postfix. Can you do different? If in prefix is given, can you get infix expression or postfix expression? Or if both is given, if you have given prefix and postfix, can you get this expression back? Note that in prefix or postfix we are not using brackets. if this is given, are you able to get infix expression? This is the output for expression notation, infix, postfix, and prefix. Why we are learning this? Many languages support different types of expression notations. We have seen C, C++, Java, they are using infix notation, but functional programming languages uses prefix notation like Lisp. Some languages also support postfix notations. And there are few languages which support. Now what is mixed fix? Mixed fix means it is not fixed. Operator can come anywhere. It is not compulsory that it will come in between or plus or at the end. So some expression do not fit neatly into prefix, postfix or infix classification. For example, we have if then else statement. So sometimes we just use if and expression, or if then, that is if and else, or if condition is true, else this condition, other else. So there can be nested if else. So if condition, then statement, else statement. So when symbols appear instead of components of an expression, the operation will be called mixed fix notations. So normally, all loop statements or condition statements come under mixed fix category. Other mathematical expressions come under either infix, prefix, or postfix.
Ma'am, so in mixed fix, there won't be brackets.
Yeah, there can be brackets.
Okay.
Like you can write this expression in a bracket. This A can be a block of statement. Like in C language, we have if. So note that if, then this block, else, and then this block. So what is this block? Block is operation or operand. If is operation or operand.
If is operation.
If is operation, then operand. Then again else is operation, this operand. So it is operator plus. So we cannot call it as prefix or postfix or infix. Or we can have multiple else. Or we can just have if part. Like this.
Okay, ma'am.
We have just talked about what is precedence and associativity. So precedence is operator precedence, high precedence operator. So to describe precedence, we can say that it is priority of operator. Means which operator will compute operand first. So many times in programming quizzes or aptitude test, you will get such programs. Such type of expressions, and you have to find out the result. You have heard about Born-Moss rule? Is Born-Moss rule?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So similarly, in programming language also, every operator has its own priority, and depending upon priority, operations are carried out. Suppose we have two different operators, which is in between operands. Now, which operator will take the operand first and perform evaluation is decided by precedence of operator over others. This is very important expression. Every time this example is used, A plus B star C. A plus B star C. So take values 10, 20 and say 5. This can be executed as A plus B and then multiplication. So A plus B is 30 multiplied by 5. So it will be 150. And you can solve this as A plus B star 5. So 20 into 5. So it is 100. And plus 10. So this will be 110. So these two answers are different. We have same expression A plus B star C. Value of A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 and C is equal to 5 and we want X is equal to A plus B star C. So which is the correct answer? 150 or 110?
110.
110.
So why? Because multiplication operator has highest precedence or priority than arithmetic or addition operator. So B star C should be evaluated first and then A plus. So we should, means compiler should reject this. It should not perform operation like this. It should allow or it should perform even if we have not provided brackets. We have not provided brackets, but this is inbuilt. When we write, design a language, we have to give precedence. Multiplication has highest precedence. So it should carry out multiplication first and then addition, and this result is correct one. This is called precedence. Abstract syntax tree. So in case of abstract syntax tree, any expression you can show in the form of abstract syntax tree or a graph. Have you heard about trees? Mathematical
Yes,
trees
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
have root and leaves. Leaf node and root. So in this case, when you want to convert operation or any expression to a syntax tree, so for this case, A plus B star C, if you start with plus A, B, star, B, C. So in this case, it will perform B star C plus first, and then this result it will add with A plus this, and we'll get the output. This is abstract syntax tree for this expression. Here, multiplication is having a priority. If you put star above A plus B, and then star C. Again, this is the same expression, A plus B star C. But in this case, you are performing addition first, and then addition you are multiplying with C. These two trees are giving the same expression. Same expression is translated into two different abstract syntax trees. But evaluation is different. So this tree should be discarded, and this should be kept by compiler. Compiler should understand that which tree is having highest precedence. So in this case, what is abstract syntax tree? Operator should come as a root node or as a innermost nodes, and operand should come as leaf nodes. These are the operands, and you have to carry out operations from starting from leaf node. Next term is associativity. It is also an important term. What is associativity? Whether to evaluate that expression from left to right or right to left. Almost all operators are left associative. Only raise 2 or power operator is right associative. That means in this case, if precedence is same, if you have this expression A plus B minus C, so note that precedence is always higher for unary operator. Unary operator has highest precedence. Then binary operations. Binary with unary minus, plus, and unary minus. Then binary operators with star, slash, and mod. Then next binary operators are addition and multiplication, subtraction. And brackets always have highest priority. So if we have operators with same priority or same precedence, A plus B minus C, again here we can evaluate it with A, B, A minus B, C, or minus plus A, B, C. So we are having two syntax trees or abstract syntax trees for this expression. And both will lead to the correct answer. But which one to choose? This one or this one? Here comes associativity. So if operators are having same precedence, associativity can be left associative or right associative. So plus, minus have, these are all of these operators are left associative. only for operator. What is for operator? If we have this thing 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. So how we put it in the term of expressions? 2 raised to 2, sorry, 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. Some programming language use 2 star for operator, or some languages use this triangle sign for operator. 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. So which operation should be carried out first, 2 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 2? This one or this one? So in this case,
3 raised to 2.
3 raised to 2.
it is right associative. We have to perform this operation 3 raised to 2, which is 9, and then 2 raised to 9. Only for operator is right associative. So when we are solving expression, when in an expression there are two operators with the same precedence, like a plus b minus c or a star b slash d slash and star, have you seen that? Then associativity of operator is used. Associativity is used for solving this confusion or ambiguity. We are having two abstract syntax tricks. So which one to reject, which one to select depending upon associativity. So associativity is one of the two types, left associative and right associative. So a plus b minus c, here minus and plus have same precedence. Then which part of the expression will be evaluated first? It is determined by associativity of these operators. And both of these left minus and plus are left associative. The expression will be evaluated as a minus b first in this case and then plus. In our case, a plus b and then b minus c. Or a plus b, whatever the result, minus c. In this case, 4 minus 2 minus 1 should be 1 or 3.
Ma'am, can you explain that example 2 raised to 3 raised to 2?
Yeah. Four raised to 2. 1 raised to 4 raised to 2. 6 raised to 1 raised to 4. What should be the answer for this? So we can write this as 2 raised to
8.
3 raised to 1 raised to 4 raised to 2. So first we will solve 4 raised to 2, which is 16. Then 1 raised to 16 will be 1. 3 raised to 1 will be 3. And 2 raised to 3 will be 8. The answer of this expression should come 8. And how we write in the terms of our programming? Suppose our language has this operator as for operator. So 2 raised to 3 raised to 1 raised to 4 raised to 2. So we can write this mathematical expression in this case way. Or some languages has 2 star operators. You can write it as star star 3 star star 1.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
So we are trying to solve this expression from right to left. So that is called right associative. 4 raised to 3, 10 then 3 raised to 1, and then 2 raised to 2. Isha, you are not audible. Yes?
Sorry, ma'am, it was by mistake.
Okay.
In the priority of precedence, you have wrote first unary and then binary, last one. So both of them have minus signs. So is there any difference between them or?
There is a minus term with one operator considered as unary operator. When it comes with two operands, then it is a binary operator. For example, here we can have minus sign, minus a b plus minus c. Or I'll give you one more interesting example. minus B plus C star minus B plus C. How to convert this infix expression to prefix or postfix? This is unary minus because it comes with only one operand. When minus sign is between B minus C, where there are two operands, then it is binary operator. When it comes with only one operand, then it is unary operator. We can have tertiary operator also. Colon question mark. C language has this operator. Colon question mark. A greater than B colon 10 question mark 20. Means if this value is true, answer is 10. If this value is false, answer is 20. So here there are three operands: operand 1, operand 2, operand 3. So this is called tertiary operator. Unary, binary, and tertiary. So if we have such things, A plus 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 B plus 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 C. The plus plus is unary increment. This is increment, pre-increment and post-increment. You might have studied this in C language. In this case also, pre-increment has priority than post-increment. What is the difference between
What did you say last?
what is
Which
the
has priority?
plus A plus plus and plus plus A? Pre and post-increment. If A is equal to 2 and if you do A plus plus and if you print A or if you say print A plus plus, what will be the output? And if you say print A plus plus A, what will be the output? Or in both the case output is same 3. Is it same? A plus plus and plus plus A.
No, ma'am.
3
No,
and
ma'am.
3 is increment first and then assign. Post increment is, pre-increment is increment and assign. And post increment is increment and then assign. So it will take time to reflect the change. So it will first print value of A, which is 2, and then it will increment it to 3. And in this case, it will first increment and then print. If you take this, you'll get this output 2 and 3.
We will get 2 and 4 now because if we print together.
Huh?
Because
Yeah, it's completely incremented. But we have not assigned it back to A.
okay, yeah.
So written A is equal to A plus plus. Then the value or change will get reflected. So that is also important, expression and statement. So right hand side of the expression, x is equal to A plus B star B. So note that this is expression. Right hand side of assignment statement is expression that will evaluate to only one value. And that value we will assign to right hand side, left hand side. And when you write this complete, x is equal to expression, this is called statement. This is the statement. And what we talked about, infix, postfix, prefix, mixfix, they are all expressions. Expressions you will evaluate to a value, and that value you are going to assign to a variable at a particular location. So I hope you understood what is meaning of associativity and precedence.
Yes, ma'am.
So keep this table in mind. Operator, precedence and associativity. Exponent operator is highest precedence. If exponent is given, it should be have highest priority or precedence, and it is right associative. Multiplication, division, mod operator has second highest, left associative. Then addition, subtraction, lowest, and it is left associative. Okay. Today we'll stop here. Next.